how to get the best Pictory coupon codes. Hello everyone, and let's get started. On today's video, we'll be talking about pictory.ai and the coupon codes it provides. To get started with, let's understand what is pictory.ai. Pictory.ai Video Creation offers AI-powered platform that transfer text materials like scripts and blogs into professional videos quickly and efficiently. To get started with, go to pictory.ai and then from there you can start the free trial. However, it will ask you to give the card detail in order to start the 14 days free trial. But after the trial is finished, you will have to subscribe to its plans that has been mentioned. However, if you would like to see the best coupon codes in order to use it, Pictory.ai provides this as well. So for this, you have to go to the website pictory.ai/blog/pictory-voucher-code. Hereby, you can see different kinds of voucher code and the coupon codes provided by pictory.ai website itself. From here, you can just take away the code and then use it for discounts. Additionally, you can also see different kinds of offers and promotions that you can use. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.